Hello, how's everybody doing? Another thing I wanted to go over is about thermostat clocking. Okay. In particular is because when these factory ones are taken out of a truck, out of the thermostat housing, they're usually in this position. You see the weep hole plug here facing the motor side. This one facing the front of the truck, the radiator side. And this is generally up and down. Now what I mean about that is when you pop this thermostat out, this top bolt, there's a bottom bolt down there in the bottom. Bottom, the top. Now when this thing goes in or when it comes out, this is your top bolt, this is your bottom bolt. So what I just showed you with the top and bottom bolt, this would be your top bolt, bottom bolt, top bolt, bottom bolt. So the orientation is going to be like this. Now this is the way this one came out. This orientation, top bolt, bottom bolt. Weep hole was on this side. Put it back the same way. Can it go any other way? It can. But once you start looking at this from behind, is this and this fin. Now the way this operates is when the water comes through here, comes out the back, goes into the water pump here. Now if you have this orientated sideways in that hole, you're putting the side of this part towards the water pump. Therefore restricting the flow going into your water pump hole, which goes through here. So if you look at it, this is the way it comes out, the way it should go in. Top bolt, bottom bolt, this is going to be up and down in that housing, just like that installed in the water neck thermostat housing. When the water comes out, it's coming out unrestricted on this side. Put it this way, this part right here is going to be restricting your water flow going towards the water pump. Kind of makes sense if you look at it. And why would you want it like this? It's going to block that port going into your water pump. So anyways, I put it back exactly the way it was. The new one came, the updated one don't have this rubber gasket. It's like a fail-safe gasket. If it got too hot, this would melt. Therefore, if the thermostat failed, this outer gasket would melt. Therefore, letting water come through these holes right here. But the new one, updated one, does not have this rubber gasket going around it here, which this one came off. This is the motor side. This is the lower radiator side where the water comes in. So I just wanted to go over the orientation of these, why people say you got to clock them or why you don't have to clock them. But when I took this out of the factory housing, it was like this, orientated up and down with an unrestricted flow of water coming out that side. Wouldn't put it like this at all. Got that. So just orientate it like this, weep hole on the right towards the motor, up, down. Shouldn't have an issue with it. Y'all take care.